Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School Sita Savangi. I am your English teacher Gajanan sir, and today we are going to revise Models 8's second part. So let's begin. Already we have discussed what is meant by models and how to use these in a sentence and how to make use of can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might. So let's see. Can, it's about ability, indicates ability to do something. It means to be able, be capable of, know how to. For example, Rachi can read this language. He can write with both hands. This is it. Can shows we have to use can modal auxiliary whenever we think and whenever whatever we do. If there is ability, we have to use can. Could suggest ability in the past. She could sing well in youth. Okay, it shows ability which in the past. Suggest general ability. Example, in my childhood I could climb up trees. Okay, so could you have to use in a past tense, means if you are talking about the past, that thing you have to, if you are telling to your friend and talking with him, so if you are giving an example of your past days, then you have to use could modal auxiliary. Be able to. Be able to indicates ability to do something which is more possible than can. For example, he was able to write with his both hands. Can is used for the present tense and could is used for the past tense. Keep this in your mind. Obligation, advice and suggestion. Suppose if you want to give suggestion, advice to someone, then you have to use should. Should is used for making a suggestion, for giving a piece of advice. For example, we should follow the traffic rules. Suggest obligation or duty. You should look after your parents. Must suggest a strong obligation. You must follow government rules strictly. You must help the needy people. Suggest compulsion and the desire of the speaker. Example, you must submit your medical report at the head office before joining the company. So when the things are very much necessary and essential, you have to use must, not should or would. Must is compulsory. You must pay your bill on time. Ought to, always a sense of moral duty. Example, you ought to plant trees to save the environment. It also suggests that it is the right thing to do. Now this is the chart of modal verbs and where to use, means ability, permission, advice, obligation and possibility. So which come in the category of ability, can, could. You can frame a number of sentences. Then permission, can, could, may. For example, if you are asking to your teacher, may I come in sir? So that is a permission, but it is in a formal way. But if you are taking anything from your friend, then no need to ask him, may I take your pencil? You can simply ask him, can I take your pencil? So this is the difference. In a formal way, you have to use may, but in informal, you have to use can. Advice, should. Obligation, must and have to. Possibility, might, may, could, can. So this is the chart of modal verbs, and by using this chart, frame at least 5 sentences of this each category. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Have a happy day.